Hi, it's Stu from StuTech with yet another tech tip of the day. Now, I don't know what I'm going to talk about today. Well, actually, I do because I plan these out, but I'm not going to tell you. So let's see what we got going on today. All right, folks, today's tech tip is the magic of tabs. Are you tired of clicking back and forth between websites? Open a new tab. It keeps everything tidy and in one window. On most browsers, you can press CTRL+T to open a new tab. But think of tabs like pages in a notebook, easy to flip through without clutter. Now, a little tip on the tip is don't have too many tabs open. It will slow down your computer. So that's the tech tip of today. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. And there you have it, another StuTech Tech Tip of the day. Now, I would hope that you pass these on, but always remember, if you have a tech problem, call us, not your kids.